October offers a chance to observe what could be the brightest comet of the year. Earlier this year, we got a look at Comet 12P, which was visible with binoculars but not super bright. Now, another of these ancient and icy dust balls is streaking through our neighborhood on an 80,000-year orbit from the distant reaches of the Oort cloud. The comet, known as C2023-A3, aka Tsuchinshan-ATLAS, is currently speeding through the inner solar system. It passed its closest to the Sun in late September and will be at its closest to Earth on October 13th. And after that time, through the end of the month, will be the best time to look for it. This is when the comet will become visible low in the western sky beginning during twilight. It will quickly rise higher each subsequent evening, making it easier to observe, but it'll also be getting a little fainter each night. As with all comets, predictions for how bright it could get are uncertain. If the comet's tail is brilliantly illuminated by the sun, predictions show that it could become bright enough to see with the unaided eye. But comets have a way of surprising us, so we'll just have to wait and see. Your best shot at seeing it will be from around October 14th through the 24th, with binoculars or a small telescope and a reasonably clear view toward the west. So good luck and clear skies, comet hunters!